Hello, welcome to LFK Spices. This is one of our favorite family dishes, our whole fish dish. You could make this with any fish. We're using sea bream today. You want to preheat your oven to 450. Going to go ahead and start by dicing up some fresh garlic. Spread that around on the bottom of the pan once it's nice and diced up. Then we're going to add 2 tomatoes and spread them around the edges. These are vine-ripe tomatoes. Add a little base of olive oil across the bottom. Then I'm going to take 2 shallots and peel them, cut them in half. You can cut them in smaller pieces if you like. I kind of like them larger. Place those in the pan as well. I'm going to season that with some backyard blend. Next, we're going to get our fish prepared. I'm just going to put some big, deep slices, starting at the collar, and then one in the middle and one towards the tail. We're going to season that up on both sides and on the inside with some backyard blend. Rub it all in there. I'm going to put a little salt and then some olives. I love Kalamata olives for this. You could use any kind of olives you want. Then I'm going to squeeze a whole lemon. And about a cup of water. Drizzle a little olive oil on that, and our fish dish is prepared. Let's move to our potato dish. I'm going to order 2 potatoes, peeled into rounds. Place them in hot water. Don't forget to put your fish in the oven. We're going to season that water up. I'm going to boil those for maybe 5 minutes, and then move them to the pan. I got a little olive oil down already. Make sure they don't stick. It's okay if they're a little bit wet still. That'll kind of help steam the inside as they start to brown. Again, backyard blend. I recommend just one side to start, and then when you flip it, put backyard blend on the other side. That way it doesn't get too burnt on the bottom. A little more olive oil. Let's check the fish. Oh, that's looking good. Nice and sizzle. Let's go ahead and get a little butter on top to finish up. Fish has been on for 20 minutes. We're going to give it about 5 more minutes and start this salad. Going to dice up some cucumber. We're going to do a really fine slice on some on onions. My son likes them that way. He won't eat thick ones. And then I'm just going to do a few tomatoes. This is a really basic Greek-style salad that we make all the time at home. Really simple. It's really just love the olives in there, a little olive oil, of course, backyard blend. You can kind of go lemon juice. You can go vinegar, kind of whatever you want in terms of salad dressing here. I just do olive oil, the backyard blend, and lemon since we did that with the fish. Now we're going to toss the salad. Some of the lettuce was a little big, so I'm going to go ahead and break up some of that as I'm tossing up the salad, getting that dressing integrated. There's a little Parmesan cheese in there as well. It's always a fun add. All right, let's plate. So we're going to go ahead and get the salad down, followed by potatoes. I'm going to put a little sauce on the plate with some veggies, and then comes the fish. So you can just scoop the fish from starting at the collar or the tail, however you like to do it, along the bone. And the nice thing about sea bream and cooked at this temperature for this amount of time is it doesn't have too many bones going on. So you can just scoop and serve. There you go. Backyard blend, Greek style, whole fish, roasted potatoes, and salad. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll make more videos. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.